Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I guess you have watched the first part of my Gulmarg vlog. So in this second part, I'll show you the different activities you can experience here in Gulmarg and what would it cost. So the first thing I wanted to experience was the gondola ride, also known as the cable car ride. But to reach there, I had to take sleigh ride as the starting point of Gulmarg gondola is located 20 minutes away from the actual Gulmarg. You can even take taxi or the ATV ride to reach there, whichever suits you. I paid 1500 bucks to the guy along with 100 rupees as a tip for this sleigh ride to reach gondola spot. So I'm here at the gondola spot, and this is Asia's largest and highest and world's second largest and highest cable car project. That is why gondola is the top attraction in Gulmarg. In fact, a Gulmarg tour without gondola ride is considered incomplete, so do not skip this. The gondola ride takes place in two levels or phase. Phase 1 is from Gulmarg Resort to Kangduri Station, 2600 meter, which takes 9 minutes to reach there. And Phase 2 is from Kangduri Station to Kangduri Mountain, which is 3747 meter, which takes 12 minutes to reach there. Entry fee for the gondola ride Phase 1 is 700 bucks and Phase 2 is 900 bucks. Timing of the gondola ride is 10 am to 5 pm. However, the timings are dependent on the weather condition too. And the best season for gondola ride is winter season due to the most amazing skiing opportunity. However, the cable car ride is available all through the year. Gondola ride can take couple of hours depending on the rush and the season, so it's better to book the tickets online to avoid the hassle of standing in a queue and unavailability of slots. And the boarding pass for gondola ride is valid for 3 hours from the time it is handed over to you. However, if you get the passes at 3 pm, it will be valid for 2 hours since the gondola ride closes at 5 pm. You can enjoy the top view of the mountains from the gondola, and that is the best part of this ride. So finally I have reached Phase 1 Kangduri Station, and it took almost 10 minutes to reach here. So here I'm gonna do snow bike ride. Snow bike ride also have two phases, K1 and K2. I paid 1500 bucks for K2 after lots of bargain along with tip of rupees 100, which they call it bakshish. People there will ask for 1200 to 1500 for K1 and 1500 to 2000 for K2, but it's subject to a lot of bargain. And yes, people ask for tips or bakshish, so keep change with you to give it to them. But the tip is worth giving as they will train you calmly. First, they will teach you to ride the snow bike, and after that, if you want, you can ride the snow bike by yourself. After reaching to point K2, they allot you some time to click pictures. Even they help you out to click pictures. Here I have reached point K2, and the view from this point is really incredible. I really liked the snow bike ride. The guy actually taught me to ride it really well. After snowbike ride, I again took a sleigh ride of 7 to 13 kilometer, and that was real fun, guys. I was really denying to do it, but the guy insisted me to try it, and it was worth it. But yes, I bargained it for 1000 bucks and later paid him the tip of rupees 100. So do not forget to bargain, as he was asking for 2000 bucks, but I settled him to 1000 bucks. Also, people suffering from any backache or any such ache should avoid riding this, as the ride is fun but too uncomfortable and jerky. As sleigh is a small wooden made toy car which works only on snow, and it's like sliding all over snow mountains. The other day I started my adventure with this tube slide ride, and this was the cheapest ride, only for rupees 100 bucks, and this was super fun, guys.
How was it?
It was so freaking fun.
Now finally it's time to experience ice skiing, the most exciting and adventurous part of my trip, which I really wanted to experience. The shoes were really heavy, that's the reason I'm walking like this. Ice skiing charge was for 500 to 600 bucks for beginners, excluding the trainer. If you ask for trainer, they will charge you 1000 to 1500 bucks depending on your bargaining skill. I paid 1000 bucks including additional 100 rupees as a tip. This guy instructed me the do's and the don'ts really well. I won't say this is easy to learn, but yeah, you need to have little patience and self-belief that you can do it. For me, it was quick to learn, but again, overconfidence के चक्कर में लग गई. Sliding is easy, but how to stop and turn is tricky, so be careful. But falling was not painful as it was snow everywhere. Here you can see me smiling, and the smile was for the satisfaction that I learned something really new. They will let you do ice skiing until you are tired or you are done with it, so you can enjoy it to the fullest. This clip is not mine, and this is to show you how adventurous the ice skiing is. Bakshi is the guy who provided me this clip, and he is the international ice skiing player and the gold medalist in ice skiing. He is the person who arranged my trip to Gulmarg. Now the last activity I am going for is ATV ride. This guy is taking me to the forest area to enjoy my ATV ride, as tourists are not allowed to ride it on road. The ATV ride also has two phases. Phase 1 covers 9 km for rupees 1500 to 2000 depending upon your bargaining skill, which will be on road, not snow. But if you're lucky enough, you can get snow on road itself. And phase 2 will cover around 13 to 14 km, and the ride will start from Gulmarg to Navia Forest, where you can see and enjoy the snow forest of Gulmarg. And this ride will take approx 1 hour. Phase 2 will cost you around 2000 to 3000 again depending on your bargaining skill. I enjoyed my ATV ride till phase 2, and the view was breathtaking. I tell you, this place is not less than Switzerland. This ATV is real fun and it's super easy to ride it. See the view, isn't it breathtaking? Now he's taking me back to the hotel, but before that, I'll go to see the igloo, India's first igloo cafe, which is near my hotel. And if you do not want to miss out that, do watch the last part of my Gulmarg vlog. Bye bye, stay safe and healthy.